Hi friends, let's learn some German. Today we'll learn about German conjugation. Conjugation, in German you call it Konjugation. It's basically linking two sentences. I'll explain more in detail. Conjugation or conjugation means basically joining two sentences. So the sentence, for example, is I want to go outside, but the weather is not good. So this sentence is the connecting word is but. So that's what we call conjugation. And how we say it in German is ich will raus, aber das Wetter ist nicht gut. I will raus. Raus is going out. Aber is but. Das Wetter is the weather is nicht gut. Is nicht gut is not good. So ich will raus, aber das Wetter ist nicht gut. Another sentence for this example is I am hungry, but there is nothing to eat. I am hungry, but there is nothing to eat. So how do you say it in German? Is Ich habe Hunger, aber es gibt nichts zu essen. Ich habe Hunger. I have hungry. I am hungry. Yeah. So in German you say Ich habe Hunger. Hunger is to be hungry. Aber es gibt nichts zu essen. Aber es gibt nichts zu essen ist, but there is nothing to eat. Es gibt nothing. There is nothing. Nichts is nothing. Zu essen is to eat. So, ich habe Hunger, aber es gibt nichts zu essen. I want to go home, but all the flights are cancelled. So someone says, I want to go home, but all the flights are cancelled. So, but is the connecting word here. As I said, it's a conjugation. So, ich möchte nach Hause, aber alle Flüge sind gestrichen. So, ich möchte nach Hause, aber alle Flüge sind gestrichen. Ich möchte nach Hause. So, ich möchte is I must, I want to. Nach is to Hause is to house. Yeah, so Hause is easy to understand. Alle Flüge is all flights sind gestrichen. Sind is are, gestrichen is cancelled. So if you read this sentence, look for the keyword or the words which you understand. For example, house you will immediately understand. So I want to, something is related to house, and fluge is flight. So that's also another two keywords you have to look for. So that's another easy way to get a grip on the German. So look for the keywords in any sentence spoken. I want to complete this project, but I don't have enough time. So, but is the connecting word. So, I want to complete this project is one sentence, and I don't have enough time. So, these two are joined together, and that's what we call conjugation. Ich möchte dieses Projekt abschließen, aber ich habe nicht genug Zeit. So, two sentences. Ich möchte dieses Projekt abschließen und ich habe nicht genug Zeit. So, these are joined together with aber. So, ich möchte, I want to, this project abschließen. Abschließen is close. That word comes from schließen. Schließen is close. So, abschließen is I want to close it. So, ich möchte dieses Projekt abschließen. I want to close this project. I want to complete this project. But, ich habe nicht genug Zeit. Ich habe is I have, nicht is not, genug is enough, and Zeit is time. So, ich habe nicht genug Zeit. I don't have enough time. I prepared for the exam, but I don't think I did well. So, but is the linking two sentences. I prepared for the exam. I don't think I did well. So, how do you say that in German? Ich habe mich auf die Prüfung vorbereitet, aber ich glaube nicht, dass ich gut abgeschnitten habe. Ich habe mich auf die Prüfung. So look for the keywords. Prüfung is exam in this case, in this context. Vorbereitet is comes from the word bereiten. So vorbereitet is prepared. So ich habe mich auf die Prüfung. So I have for the exam prepared. But ich glaube nicht. I don't believe, dass ich gut abgeschnitten habe. That I have abgeschnitten is to schnitt. It comes from the word schnitten is to cut. So I have not done it well. So in German you say abgeschnitten. It's a bit difficult word to pronounce. Is have not cut off. You know the word in English we say cut off marks. So So that comes from that concept. So abgeschnitten is to cut off. I did not do well. So ich glaube nicht, dass ich gut abgeschnitten habe. So together, ich habe mich auf die Prüfung vorbereitet. So ich habe mich auf die Prüfung vorbereitet. I have prepared for the exam. Aber ich glaube nicht, I don't believe, dass ich gut abgeschnitten habe. That I have did well in the exam. So that's how you say the sentence. So hope you understood what conjugation means, and it's basically connecting two sentences. Mostly in English, you use the word but to connect. But is a conjugated word, and aber in German. So I hope you this video helped you. If you have any comments or if you want more German or any other topics, please do post in comment section. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. KM Learn.